Thanks for waiting. I'm back again. This is Sean from Sean's Model Builds, and I am here to show the updates on the ECTO-1 and its, well, assembly, quite frankly. So as you can see here, and that's a good view actually, right there, and of course I'll get a rooftop view as well. I have assembled as much as I can before I have to prime and paint that. So it'll have the gray primer, then I'll have the white paint, and then I'll do the detail painting on the side with the black. It's easier that way. Anyway, so I've got the I did the Krylon chrome pen. Oh. Ah, there we go. What would happen if I turned that light off? Oh, well, okay, it's a retro look. I did the Krylon chrome pen here. I got these hoses attached by making their pins a little smaller. I'd accidentally cut off a bit too much of this one, so that's why it's lower than the others. But at least I got the 4 spotlights in place. And the driver spotlight, see I did the white. I've got the base of the clear, you know, the front blue section there. I got the base of that attached at least. And, well, look at that. Oh, wait a minute. So the whole base is white, and then you attach the railing sides after. Got it. So you could make the entire cradle white, and it shouldn't be a problem. Well, that's good to know. It's very good to know. And it looks like that side antenna attaches somehow. And I did default to using the stickers on the car instead of the decals, because I didn't want the decals to break apart. So actually what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set this up for some kind of pictures. Now, let's see here. So there's a top picture. There is a, well, they're all going to be top pictures for now. There's the front. There's the right. Yeah, because you have to assemble the roof rack before you assemble anything else. And the roof rack does have 4 prongs on the side, so it would fit kind of like that. See? Roof rack in place. And there's the back of the car, showing the back bumper in place. I'm kind of wondering if I could fit on the front bumper as well. Just give me one moment. Maybe assembly's not quite finished. So I have the, there it is. Okay. All right. Okay. There you go. All right, now let's see how I assemble this thing here. So, like so. No, not so strange. How does it get, oh, wait a minute. I think I see. All right, give me a moment. All right, so the front, oh, it isn't quite flush, is it? There's a bit of a gap there. Now, a gap that does not appear to be on any other part of the box, any other part of the car. So how do I fix that? Because it is flush here and here. So why there's a slight gap? Oh, that's not a gap. That is the white. Okay, so it is in place correctly. Okay, good. Very good. And if you set it down, then the weight of the, oh, it doesn't quite do it. All right. There. This will help the glue set. So now you have the front of the car. Don't worry, I'll zoom in for that picture. But while we're here, let me get the side picture.